Volkswagen India has introduced the automatic transmission option on the Polo Comfort Line trim. The new Polo Comfort Line Automatic is priced at 8,51,000 rupees, making it more accessible than before. Previously, the automatic transmission was only available on the Highline trim that is priced at 9,45,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. This makes the Polo Comfort Line Automatic nearly 1 lakh rupees cheaper in comparison. The Polo uses a 6-speed torque converter unit that is paired with the 1-litre TSI petrol engine. The Comfort Line variant also gets automatic climate control and a new Blaupunkt audio system as part of the upgrade. Mercedes-Benz India recently reaffirmed its plans to launch 15 new products in the country this year, and the next model to go on sale will be the Mercedes Maybach GLS. The automaker plans to introduce its flagship luxury SUV on the 8th of June 2021, and the Maybach GLS will compete against the Range Rover Autobiography, Bentley Bentayga, Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the likes in the segment. The Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 comes with a 3,135mm long wheelbase, out of which the rear passengers get 1,103mm of legroom. The uber luxurious SUV will be available in either 4 or 5-seater configurations. The cabin is dressed in the best of luxury, including Napa leather upholstery, electronic panoramic sunroof with opaque roller blinds, ventilated massage seats and more. Power will come from the 4-litre V8 engine tuned to produce 542 brake horsepower and 730 Nm of peak torque. It will also get the EQ Boost mild hybrid technology for better acceleration and efficiency. Prices for the new Maybach GLS are expected to start from around 3 crore rupees ex-showroom. And it's yet another exclusive from Car and Bike. The 2021 Ducati Monster will be introduced in India later this year by September or October 2021. Speaking with Car and Bike in an exclusive conversation, Ducati India Managing Director Bipul Chandra confirmed the development. Production of the new Ducati Monster will start soon at the bike maker's Thailand factory and will make its way to the Indian market soon after. The new Ducati Monster has a completely different design language, and it ditches one of the most signature elements of the iconic Monster design, the steel trellis frame. It also draws power from the 937cc Testa Stetta V twin engine with new internal components that makes 110 brake horsepower and 93 Nm of peak torque. The new Monster replaces the 797 and 821 Monster motorcycles in the lineup globally.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.